Greetings and welcome to another episode of Sports Tuesday. My name is Aaron. Boy, I feel sorry for you Seattle Sonics fans up this week or last week because you don't have an NBA team anymore. So you're probably wondering, well, after you're done rioting on the streets, you're probably wondering who's to blame for all this. Well, there's a lot of people you could blame. You could blame David Stern for siding with the the new Oklahoma City Sonic owner, Clay Bennett, David Stern. But, by the way, David Stern, real smart for wanting to move a team out of the 13th media market to the 40-something media market. Way to go there, David. Smart business decision there. In my opinion, I think you got to blame Howard Schultz, the former owner of the Seattle Sonics. And here's why. Simple. Howard Schultz sold the team to Clay Bennett. And who couldn't have seen this coming? I mean, 2 years ago, the New Orleans Hornets were playing in Oklahoma City. Oklahoma City was selling out that arena. So, you have a group of owners, all from Oklahoma City, led by Clay Bennett, go to the Sonics to say, we want to buy an NBA team. What? I mean, couldn't Howard Schultz read this? I mean, I know he's got to be a smart man because he founded Starbucks and all, but come on, even I could have, I saw that press conference with Clay Bennett holding the Seattle Sonics jersey. I knew Clay Bennett wanted to take that team out. So, Howard Schultz, you are the one to blame for this whole Sonics debacle. And to think that Howard Schultz now is filing a lawsuit against Clay Bennett. Yeah, that's just to save face. Way to go there, buddy. I feel really sorry for the Sonics fans up there. I mean, the strange thing about Seattle Sonic fans, though, they're not as passionate as the Mariners or with the Seahawks. I mean, you can't blame the fans for building that new arena. In fact, I kind of praise you guys for not abiding by David Stern saying we gotta use taxpayer money to build a brand new arena. I mean, Key Arena is fine, don't get me wrong, but I hope you get a team within the next 10 years because I don't see you guys getting a team anytime before a decade. And that deal that Mayor Nichols made with Clay Bennett where you got $45 million, that's fine and dandy and all. And then you get an additional $30 million from Bennett if you don't get a team within 5 years. Believe me, you're not going to get a team within 5 years. It's a sad state. But you know what now? The Seattle Sonics are now like Oklahoma City. Now teams like New Jersey and like Sacramento can say, hey, government, if you don't give us money to build a new arena, we're going to move the team to Seattle. So now you become Oklahoma City, Seattle. You become the bargaining chip. For more, go to sportstuesday.com.